Hey guys, we received this Kayo Business Fleet GPS tracker for vehicles. It's a 4G LTE and 5G real-time GPS tracking. So this comes with a 14-day free trial and is simple activation. Comes in a really nice box. So let me just open the box and show you everything. So this comes in this nice box. This is the GPS tracker that goes into the car. This also have a safety feature with this key and the lock thing. So I will just show that later on. So these are the all content and of course the manual and so you can see like this small plastic thing. So this is for the lock. So you have to take out this plastic plunge and then you can use the key to open and lock this one. So once you put in the car, this will lock on its own, but you need the key to take it out. So this is also a safety feature that comes, so no one can actually take this out without the key. So this have the inbuilt 4G LTE SIM inside, so you need to pay for the subscription. So this is the app, Kayo app, that you can install on your mobile and register this device. So there is a code that you can use and then put in the car to register. So I will now just put this in my car. So I just put it in the car as you can see it here and then try to register. It asks for the code and the things again. So let me just do it. Once this is all done, you will see the activation thing, and if you want to just take it out, just press the key and you will take out.